Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the very noisy backyard. Crows accepting. This is a 20 by 20 by 2 inch canvas that I was fairly happy with, but not absolutely happy with. And I think I'm going to make myself a white satin enamel pour cup with my leftovers, starting with adding a whole bunch of gold. And I think I'll use my little spoons, which are on my Amazon link along with my books, and my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and my OXO omelet turning spatulas. But the spoons work really nicely to float paint. And if you're using squeeze bottles like I am, I'm not sure that's shaken, then it's a good thing. I'm running really low on the white satin enamel paint, but I have faith that it will work. And I'm being called to, that's a color shifting orange, but it's nice. And I'm going to put some copper with it, and some of this other color shifting. Well, this is an iridescent. Yeah, I love that. So far it's mostly metallics and some purple. I really wanted some blue. There's the blue I want too. I don't want to make an overabundance of paint because I'm not planning on adding an overabundance of paint, but at this point you can't tell. That's some really bright color. And I might as well use my satin enamel while I can. It's by Deco, it's by Americana, by Deco Art. And I think I'm going to finish up with some of this Art Minds turquoise, which was an iridescent. Now, bear with me for a moment because I need to get some of these bottles out of my way because I expect to be tipping. But if I don't tip, I'll be chain pulling. Now, that canvas just barely fits on that. My glasses have morphed away. Uh-oh. They gotta be here somewhere. There they are. Cool. Yeah, this is important not to do that right now. So I'm really tempted to go ahead and put like a fork or a basting brush in here, and I have a threek. So I'm gonna stir those colors up just a couple times. And then I'm just gonna do what I do best. Take chances. And I am going to freely pour paint wherever it wants to go. Hopefully right down onto that edge catcher. And I need a spatula. Excuse me, that's not a spatula. I need a bamboo skewer because that's going to help me out. Now, I don't know how slight of a pour I can do. But I'll be trying and using a straw. And maybe linking those dots up with the skewer, although I kind of like them. Just like they are. I was having a big problem with this gold mark. You know what, I'm going to use that spoon and just grab some colors that I like and draw them right down onto the canvas. And maybe drag a few things out with the edge of my spoon. I like that better already. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Grab a little more stuff I like. I've got this great Lola mat that I can put anything down on. Yeah, I see beautiful cells. I'm just going to roll the wave of dripping paint right down. I'm going to watch it roll down and put it in place with my skewer. And I can leave my paint thick because I use GAC 800 by Golden, which is meant to prevent cracking. And I can steal some paint. If I want to. I think I'm just going to fill that in right there. And probably right here as well. I thought I was going to dot, but I think I'm going to dot with some other colors, especially that gold. I'm happy with what I'm doing, I gotta say. I wasn't sure I should, but I feel better about it now by far. I'm beginning to get to the point where having things become multidimensional is important to me. And adding layers is the only way to do that. I'm really liking using my little spoon. I suspect that's going to drip over that edge no matter what I do. But it's helping me finish a few things that were dripping the last time that I didn't know what to do with. So the spoon is working out really well, even though you can't see most of it. Darn. I'm so sorry. I just realized that I'm working on a bad edge. But you can see some of that. And you can see that the cells are coming up beautifully. So far, so good. This is spoon embellishing. A new thing. And I see that. And I can make it go away, although I did kind of like it actually. I think I'm tempted to let that flow a little sideways, but everything else I put down is going to flow a little sideways too. Let's hope most of it doesn't move in a horrible direction. That's fortunate. That color sort of matched right up with what was there. I'm going to have to be a little cautious about what I do with my torch. I thought it was kind of busy before, but it's getting busier now. And I'm not really minding either. I better mind pretty quick or I'm going to be in trouble. Just having too much fun officially. Like this right here might be too much fun. If you can even see this right here, well, I've got great stuff happening over here. And a dog here. Now what do I want to do with this? I'm going to join a few things together maybe. Steal some paint. Use the paint I steal to finish the mark. It's gonna be nice metallic, but it's kind of blue-gray at this point. I don't know, I may have gone too far, but I kind of like it too. Yeah, I do. Thankfully. Oh please, thank you, that moth just flew by and did not stop in the painting, which is a really wonderful thing. I really want some more of that purple. The neon purple from folk art. My normal addiction. So why don't I give myself permission to add some, because it might help me out. Oh, I'm liking that so much better. Ha! Hopefully it dries nice and bright for me. Sorry, I'm kind of quiet. I'm a lot focused. I would really appreciate liking this very much. And I liked it okay, but not very much. Sort of the difference between, oh my god, you look awesome, and that's fine, honey. Women know what I'm talking about. I'm having a good time now. Oh, always a dangerous set of circumstances. But better than the alternative. Yep, she's having fun. Just looking where things are going. Now I know that neon purple from folk art is going to dry like that color unless I add some white to it. And I have some white I can add to it if I want to. Because I can. The name of my book. Under Show More on the Amazon link. Yes, I did. I had too much fun there. But I got the white in, which is what I wanted. And I like it enough to think I might want to do it again too. Fall a little short. Cool. Happy. And probably running out of time. Yep, I'm getting very time sensitive these days. And we're down to the last minute and a half. But I should start now and tell you guys that that I love you! Which you know. And that I do sell my artwork. And if you give me a thumbs up, it helps my placement on YouTube somewhat. But watching the video all the way through is the only thing that will keep me and my channel going, because that's what the YouTube algorithm is sensitive to. How long you watch, even how many times you watch. If you come back and watch something repeatedly, that's a really good thing. Which might be okay, you know, because I sometimes watch my own videos more than once. It's research in my case. And sometimes it can be quite inspiring also. Especially when I haven't painted for a while. I've got paint dripping all kinds of places. I want. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, inviting you to join me whenever you're inspired by going to my channel and finding my playlists of 11 genres. I'm looking for some orange paint that I haven't used because I really love... Whoops. Okay. I guess it is what it is. I got something I wasn't expecting. And now I'm just going to make more of it. Because I can. Because what else am I going to do? I can't really clean that up right now. So if you shop my Amazon link, you help me out at no added cost to you, and I appreciate that. You can find the OXO omelet turning spatulas there, not with a balloon stuck to it. And the Princeton Art Tocala spatulas and a whole bunch of other stuff. It's list number 1. It's a blue link under Show More under the video. If you want to see other stuff that I've created, the clothing line under the video is from Teespring. And it has lots of all-over print t-shirts and all-over print leggings and other things as well. Sometimes I just get inspired instantly to add stuff. And I really like this turquoise that I just started using today. And I could have way too much fun with this for a while longer, I think. And I might add a little more purple, or a little more white, I mean. And you guys are going to be gone soon, so if you share my videos or you're looking for a Facebook page to share them from, check out Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. That's for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for fans and collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More will take you to mypixels.com and Fine Art America. I like that how that happened with the dots, worked out really cool. I'm sure I'm forgetting all kinds of stuff, like Happy New Year! And I love you, and thank you for all the wonderful comments you've given me and kept my morale up all this time. I really appreciate that. I wonder if I can put a little bit of purple in there. Kind of think not, but I'm going to try it anyway. Spiral them around so they don't look like little purple eyeballs. Alright, you guys, take care. Hope to see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.